How to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. The first thing to do is to pull up your preferred browser or either pull up or access your Steam application on PC. Now, once you logged in, now you'll be able to find library here once you have games on your Steam. On my case, I don't have any games installed on my Steam, so if there will be a library option to see it, just press on it, and then once you click on that, you just go ahead to manage. Now, upon clicking manage, go ahead to CD keys, and then that's where will you copy the activation key of that specific game. Now, once you copy the activation code or the activation key, you just have to log into your Ubisoft account, and then once you have successfully logged in, just click on your Ubisoft profile, and then go to key activation and paste your activation key from Steam. So that's how to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam.